Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer. In this video, let us discuss further the occupancy classification of Module 7. We are now on submodule 5. So, code objective states as life safety code addresses specific requirements to minimize danger to life from fire. It involves mission continuity and property protection. It is not the main, it only laterally answers the required mission continuity and property protection, but the main one, the sole purpose is actually minimize danger to life from fire. And when we talk of fire again, we are actually involving the smoke, heat, and toxic gases. So we are in Module 7, Occupancy Classification, and under which we are on the 5th submodule, which is Incidental Occupancy. So what are incidental occupancies? These occupancies may be considered part of predominant classification. A considered part of predominant classification. For example, we have an hospital and we have a business. So predominant classification is hospital, meaning healthcare. Okay. So as an area permitted to be considered incidental is considered part of the predominant occupancy. For example, what are the usual? Mercantile, business, industrial, storage. Okay, which one is the predominant occupancy or classification? It is considered part. Okay, minor residential uses must be classified as residential occupancies. Daycare, healthcare, and educational cannot be considered incidental. Okay, so daycare, healthcare, and educational, they cannot be incidental. Okay, they are main business. No, other non-residential take care of that. No, daycare, healthcare, educational cannot be considered incidental. Mercantile, business, industrial, storage can be incidental. Depends. Storage can be incidental usually, but not all the time. If the main business of the company is storage, that is the predominant occupancy. Okay? Other non-residential incidental use areas might be based on comparison to the occupant load criteria from the definition of occupancy. So let us compare. Okay, so business occupancy here in our figure is incidental to classrooms and auditorium. So the light green, which are offices, are called business occupancy. Okay, these two. So they are incidental to either what classroom, which is educational, and auditorium, which is assembly. Okay. Okay, so that is what we mean by incidental classification. So we will just determine which one are the which one is the predominant. Okay. So again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building. Thank you for staying with us up to the end of this module 7.